Today we are here in our Porta production department, here where we make components to build the Porta Center. This on my right is the first part, is the first piece, one of the most important, the body, the frame of the machine, which is completed machined. In here we produce 3 Porta Center per month. On my left over here we have body of machine that still need to be machined, and over here we have the machine that is carrying out this operation. As you can see, all the milling operations, drilling, reaming is done in this machine. So here we do everything that is necessary to complete the machine of the frame. Then, once here is completed, we take out the frame, we scrape by hand the most important surface, and then the body goes to the assembly department where we are starting the assembly division. So here is the Porta production machine shop.